Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamo Alaikum and welcome to Star Academy. Dear learners, our today's video lesson is Definition and Nature of Learning. The first definition is taken from Merriam Dictionary. According to this definition, knowledge or skill acquired by instruction or study. One can learn by getting someone's instruction or by studying some information. According to Cambridge Dictionary, the process of getting an understanding of something by studying it or by experience. Learning is a process in which one obtains information by studying or by experiences of life. According to Gardner Murphy, the term learning covers every modification in behavior to meet environmental requirements. Learning modifies human behavior according to the needs of society. Henry Smith defines learning is the acquisition of new behavior or the strengthening or weakening of old behavior as a result of experience. As a result of learning, we adapt to new situations and change behaviors which may require strengthening, weakening, or removing the old ones. According to Crow and Crow, learning is the acquisition of habits, knowledge, and attitudes. Learning progressively brings changes in our behavior and enables us to adjust ourselves according to the new situation to achieve goals. Learning is the process by which an individual acquires knowledge, attitudes, and skills that are necessary to meet the demands of life. When experiences bring change in our behavior, this change is called learning. Nature of learning. Learning is universal. Learning is through experience. Learning is from all sides. Learning is a continuous process. Learning results in change in behavior. Learning is an adjustment, and learning comes about as a result of practice. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and goodbye.